arithmetic progression. Okay. So what do you know about the arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is helpful to us. How many bricks are there to find out? Like this one pyramid is there, pyramid in the pyramid arranged, and number of rows, how many rows are there? These all the things to find out, we are going to use the arithmetic progression. Okay. So whenever it is needed to find out 54th row, how many bricks are there? If all are arranged in systematic one particular order, okay, so then we can find out the any row, any term you can find out like this. Whenever different shapes are there, so you can find out. And the progressions means we are going to use these progressions. In that progressions, we are going to have the arithmetic progression, geometric progression, harmonic progression. But in the class 10th, we are going to learn only the arithmetic progression. Geometric progression will be learned in your 11th class. So here we are going to learn that identifying an arithmetic progression and define the arithmetic progression and calculate the common difference of an arithmetic progression and derive and apply the formula of the general term. These are the things we are going to learn in this chapter now, in this chapter. So first identifying the instances of the program, any progression. Suppose if you see that here 2, 4, 6, 8, then after what the number we will get? Obviously you will
10.
say that.
10.
Yes. The next number is 10. When you are having this pattern is following here. Okay. And what we are doing here, we are 2 को 2 add करता, then 4 we are getting, and 4 को 2 add करो 6 we are getting, 6 को 2 add करो 8 we are getting. Then in the same way, next number to get that 2 only should be added to the 8 to get the number 10. So whatever the number we are adding a constant term to the every to get the obtain the every term means other than the first term. So either minus 1 by 2 को 1 by 2 minus plus 1 by 2 ऐड करो 0 आ जाएगा, 0 को plus 1 by 2 ऐड करो 1 by 2 आएगा, plus 1 by 2 को 1 by 2 ऐड करो 1 आएगा, 1 को 1 by 2 ऐड करो 1.5 is nothing but 3 by 2. The next number we are going to get 3 by 2. In the same way 4, 9, 11, 13 is there. And what can be added in the same way? Minus 8, minus 5, 0, 1. So when you see that the second case, the numbers are constant numbers are not adding. To get the second term, 5 is there. 5 should be added. Next 2 should be added. Next 2 should be added. We cannot find out the next term in that because they are not following the particular pattern. So we cannot find out that. So in this, we can find out the sum. So here in the left side cases, we can find out the next term, whatever. Every term is obtained by adding a constant is called arithmetic. Arithmetic progression is a sequence of the numbers or terms in which each term is obtained by adding a constant to its preceding term. The constant term, whatever we are adding, is called a common difference. The constant term what we are adding is called as a common difference. And if D is not a constant, then that sequence is not a arithmetic progression. So D can be positive number, negative number, or it can be 0. If it is 0, every number will be same. So now here we are going to have the deriving the formula for the arithmetic progression. Means sixth term in this arithmetic progression, 13th term in the next arithmetic progression, minus 15, minus 11, minus 7, minus 3. Next it is given that John has an account in a bank. He deposited 100 rupees in his account in the first week. Later he deposited 25 rupees in every week in the account. So what will be the amount in his account at the end of the 20th week? 20th week के बाद what amount is we need. These type of the situations to find out, we need an arithmetic progression. But here, second one, whenever you take minus 15, minus 11, minus. So to find out the particular number, means position of the term, we call it as a nth term. We call it as a nth term or general term. The first week he deposited 100 rupees. Every week he is depositing 25 rupees. So 25 rupees is adding to his account. So we are going to get it as 100 plus 20, 125. Next again one second week over. Third week again 25 should be added. 100 plus 2 into 25. 2 times 25 should be added. Like the 20th week, if you want to find out, third term find out करने के लिए 2 times d add करना, isn't it? थर्ड वीक फाइंड आउट करने के लिए लाइक दैट फोर्थ वीक के लिए 3 times ऐड करना पड़ता है, फिफ्थ वीक के लिए 4 times ऐड करना पड़ता है, 20th वीक के लिए 19 times that d should be added to the 8. Did you understand here? Why 20th number, 20th week you need means one less. So in the same way, if you proceed that nth term also you can find out this. The second term is denoted by second week, means second term. It is denoted by T2 or A2. A2 or T2 we can denote, and A plus 2 minus 1 into D. Third means A plus 3 minus 1 into D. 20 means 20th term means 20th week. A plus 20 minus 1 into D. 19 more, 19 can be written as 20 minus 1. 20th term, if you want to find out, 100 plus 20 minus 1 into 20. So like that we are going to get what will be the amount in his account at the end of the 20th week. That is 575. Total savings in the 20th week is 575 rupees. So like this, nth term also you can find out in the arithmetic progression. So in the same way, 20th term means a plus 20 minus 1 into d. Then general term, nth term means a plus n minus 1 into d. It is a plus n minus 1 into d. So where Tn is nothing but nth term of arithmetic progression. In your textbook, it is mentioned as an. An or Tn both are same only. So A is called first term and D is called common difference. Then the number of terms of an AT, arithmetic progression, if you want to find out, n is equals to Tn minus A by plus 1. It's number of terms if you want to find out. It is not necessary to you to look after that number of terms to find out. This is really helpful to you to find out the number of the terms. So let us see the, based on this nth term finding, we are having an exercise 5.1. So in this 5.1, very simple problems are there. Let us discuss some questions to you in the 5.1. Okay. So what is the first question here? It is given to you. In which of the following situations does the list of the numbers involved in making an arithmetic progression make an arithmetic progression? A taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and 8 rupees for each additional kilometers. Is it an arithmetic progression?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because every time 8. What is the first term in this situation?
15.
15.
What is the
Common
common
difference
difference?
8. 8.
Yes.
8.
Yes. Next, the amount of the air present in the cylinder when the vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder. It is going on removing it 1/4. So amount of the air present in the cylinder when the vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Whether it is an arithmetic progression or not. Don't know. Simple logic you apply here. You take here 400 some units of the air is there, means centimeter cube of air is there in the cylinder, centimeter cube or meter cube, whatever it may be. And 1 by 4th is removed. 1 by 4th removed. 1 by 4th of the 400 is 100. So what is left over? What is left over?
300.
300. Yes, 400, 300. Next 300 mein again 1 by 4th is removed. So we are removing 1 by 4th of the present, how much air is present in the cylinder. So we are not removing the constant number. It is going to change. It is going to change that way. So we are not adding, we are not subtracting. If you are subtracting also constant number, then it is an arithmetic progression. We are not subtracting the constant number. We are subtracting the different number. 1 by 4th of the remaining. First time 1 by 4th of the 400. Second time 1 by 4th of the 300. Third time 1 by 4th of the remaining. Remaining here it is given. So that's why it is not an arithmetic progression. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
The cost of digging a well, every meter of digging, when the cost is 150 rupees for the first meter and raises rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. Every time it is going on increasing, 150, next 50, next 50 add karna hai, next 50 add karna hai. So therefore it is an arithmetic progression. The amount of the money every year when 10,000 rupees is deposited at a compound interest at 8% per annum. So compound interest means the principal amount is going to change. Principal amount is going to change. So that's why this is not a arithmetic progression. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, second question, you see that write the first 4 terms of an arithmetic progression, and when A is the first term and common difference D are given, A and D are given, first 4 terms you need to write. It's I think simple task for you to do. First term is 10 itself. Second term is A plus D karna. Third term is A plus 2D karna. Fourth term means A plus 3D karna. Like that 4 terms you need to write. Can you do it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For the following APs, write the first term and common difference. Here it is given that first. इसमें first term क्या है? Wait, I will ask some of you people. Abhijit, what is the first term in this selected third question? Third question.
Sir, 1 by 3.
Abhijit, 1 by 3. What is the common? Wait, Anushri, what is the common difference?
So मैं बोलूं.
So 4 by 3.
Yes, very good. 4 by 3. Common difference is 4. Very simple here. 4 by 3. Any two numbers you take and subtract. First, second minus first one you do, or third minus second one do, fourth minus third one. Whatever it may be, you are going to get. A fourth question is, which of the following are AP? If they form arithmetic progression, find the common difference and write 3 more terms. Whether it is an AP or not, how do you identify?
Sir, by the common difference.
So by finding common difference.
Yes, you have to consider this as A1, A2, A3. 3 terms are given. A1, A2, 4 terms. In some cases, 4 terms are given to you. So every difference between the every 2 terms should be constant. Every difference between the every 2 terms should be constant. We call it as a arithmetic progression. Second one is an arithmetic progression. 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. Actually, 5 by 2 is nothing but 2 and a half. 7 by 2 is nothing but 3 and a half. So 2, 2 and a half, 3, 3 and a half. Half is added. Therefore, it is an arithmetic progression.
Yes, sir, it is.
So like that, in this sixth one is not arithmetic progression. You can check. 0.2, 0.22, 0, because difference we are not going to get same. It looks like a something same number, but it is not arithmetic progression. I'm coming to the 8th one, and most of the students will get confused. If same number is given, yes, if same number is given also, it is an arithmetic progression. A is 1 by 2
So
and D
The
is
common
0.
difference is 0.
0.
Its common difference is 0. So like this, when you see the 9th problem, no, it is not arithmetic progression. 1 3 3 3s are multiply कर रहे हैं इधर, addition नहीं है. So that's why it is not arithmetic progression. And you may feel that this 12th question is also not arithmetic progression. Is it arithmetic progression or not?
Sir, it is.
Yes, it is arithmetic progression because root 8 is nothing but 2 root 2. 2 root 2.
Yes,
Root 2
sir.
or root 2 add. Root 18 is nothing but root 18 means
3 root 2.
root 9 into root 2. Root 9 is 3. 3 root 2. Root 60, root 32 is nothing but 4 root 2. So every time root 2 we are adding in this situation. Simple problems, that's why I'm not explaining on the board. Just orally, if I explain to you, you can do it. Okay? And next question here, it is given to you root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12. No,
No, sir, it is not.
it is not a thing because root 6 minus root 3, root 6 minus root 3 only. You cannot simplify it. Root 9 minus root 6, no. So it is not arithmetic progression. This one also not an arithmetic progression. This one also not an arithmetic progression. Reason you need to write in that situation. Why it is not an
Sir,
arithmetic progression? Yes, tell me.
sir, if somewhere we are asked to check whether the particular progression is forming an AP or not, so sir, how we will check it? By finding the D, common difference.
No. Yes, yes. Whether it is a AP or not to check how many number of terms are given for all the terms. Suppose 4 terms are given to you. 4 terms given means A1, A2, A3, A4. A2 minus A1 करना है, A3 minus A2 करना है, A4 minus A3 भी करना है. Then only you can say that it is an arithmetic progression. All you should get a same constant. Got my point?
Yes, sir. Sir, if in an AP there are only three terms given to us, then we can. I am going to tell you a formula. Can we use it or not? Sir, it is A plus C is equals to 2B. So can we use it or not?
A plus
C is equals to 2B.
not getting your voice. A plus 3.
Sir, C. C for cat.
A plus C.
Yes, sir. A plus C is
Yes,
equals
yes.
to
We are going
2B.
to discuss. You are a little bit in advance. That is called arithmetic mean. If the 3 terms are in arithmetic progression, A, B, C are in arithmetic progression, D is called arithmetic mean, and the D we can write it as A plus C by 2. How do we write? We will learn next coming classes. We will learn in the coming classes. Okay? Yes, we can write A plus C by 2. B can be written. Otherwise, 2B is equals to A plus C you can write. Middle term is always double of the sum of the double of the middle term will be equals to sum of the first and third term. Every time will be like that. We'll discuss more in the arithmetic progression. Don't worry about it. Okay?
Okay.